If you need an asbestos survey or asbestos removal, or require cleaning services in and around York, then look no further than J Cleaning Ltd. If you're working on a building where asbestos could be present, then an asbestos survey is essential, as it can highlight what kind of asbestos you have and where it's located. We can carry out asbestos surveys for both refurbishment and demolition projects, as well as a management survey, to help clients to compile their asbestos register. Asbestos was used extensively from the 1950s to the late 1990s and is known to cause serious illness, often taking a long time to develop. However, when in good condition, it can be safely managed. Most asbestos removal work will require a licensed contractor holding an asbestos license. Starting with a site visit, we can assess the building, the condition of the asbestos, and whether further sampling will be required. With the findings of the asbestos survey, the asbestos can then be removed safely or encapsulated and managed. As well as asbestos work, we also offer a range of domestic cleaning for private households, industrial cleaning, specialist cleaning, agricultural and conservation services, as well as services to local authorities and housing associations, removal of fly-tipped waste and pigeon muck, and deep clean of properties and verminous properties. J Cleaning Ltd. Give us a call or visit our website today.